Everyone, welcome back to Sowkya Vision. Today we are going to discuss the heart sounds, the sounds produced by heart in each rhythm. Okay? Now, the heart sounds are produced by mechanical activities of heart during each cycle. What is the cycle there? Cardiac cycle, obviously, right? So, heart sounds are produced by mechanical activities of the heart during each cycle, which are heard. Yes, which are heard by placing ear over the chest or by using stethoscope or microscope. Yes, heart sounds are produced mechanically in each cycle, which are heard by placing ear or stethoscope on chest. Okay, why the heart sounds are produced? Yes, why the heart sounds are produced? Mainly they are due to blood flow through the chambers. Yes, blood flow through the chambers and cardiac muscle and valves of the heart. This is the main reason why do we listen cardiac heart sounds. I mean heart sounds. Okay, this is the main reason. Okay, now how many heart sounds are there? There are four heart sounds in which we are able to listen only heart sound 1 and heart second heart sound, first and second heart sounds. How we are listening them, like how we pronounce that we are listening heart sounds? They are pronounced as lub and dub. Lub dub are the heart sounds that we are going to hear when we place our ear or stethoscope on one's chest. Okay, now let's see in diagram how these are produced. Okay, once again our mini heart is going to come here. Let's imagine this is a heart. Okay, this is left atrium, this is right atrium. Yes, this is left ventricle and this is right ventricle. Okay, from superior vena cava, this is superior vena cava and this is inferior vena cava, we are getting blood. Yes, so this blood is going to the ventricles. Here we are having is what? Valves. We are having valves, right? Yes, so blood is going to ventricles from atria. Now ventricle is having more blood. There is chance of regurgitation. Yes, there is chance of backflow. So in order to prevent backflow, this mitral and tricuspid valves are closed. Yes, this is a mitral and this is a tricuspid valve. So mitral and tricuspid valve are closed, producing first heart sound. Understood? See, blood is coming from left atrium to the from atria to the ventricle. Okay, now the ventricular pressure is increased as the blood is coming from atria to ventricles. More blood is there in the ventricles, so pressure is obviously more in ventricles compared to atria, right? So there is chance of backflow. In order to prevent that backflow, we are closing the mitral and tricuspid valve. Due to that, we are getting heart sound 1. Okay, this is the heart sound 1. Then how heart sound 2 is produced? See, this is the aorta, right? Aorta, and here we are having pulmonary trunk. Okay, pulmonary trunk. Now from left ventricle, pulmonary blood is going to pulmonary trunk. From right ventricle, it is going to aorta. Okay, when it is going to the aorta and pulmonary and semilunar valves, these are semilunar valves. When they are going to semilunar valves, the pressure is decreased in the ventricle and pressure is increased in the semilunar valves. There is chance of backflow to the ventricles again, right? Now the pressure is more in the aorta compared to the ventricle, so there is chance of backflow of blood to the ventricles. So the semilunar valves are closed. Here will be the semilunar valves are closed, producing heart sound 2. Yes, heart sound 1 is produced by mitral and the tricuspid valve, and heart sound 2 is produced by semilunar valves. Okay, now let's see in the description. As I said, we listen S1 and S2 heard prominently as lub and dub. Now heart sound 1, it is simultaneous closure of AV valves, that are mitral and the tricuspid valve. It is during isovolumetric contraction period of cardiac cycle. Okay, when it is produced, it is during isovolumetric contraction of the ventricles during cardiac cycle. It is long, soft and low pitched sound. Okay, it resembles speaked word lub. It is about 0.1 to 0.15 seconds. See, only this is not only the reason to produce heart sound. There are some other factors that are helping to produce heart sound. One is what? Valvular factor. There is vibration. See, these are the ventricles, right? Containing, here we are containing carda tendinae. Yes, whenever these are vibrated, we hear a sound. Yes, that is one factor, and the another factor is distension of aorta and pulmonary artery. Okay. Now, muscular factor, there will be myocardial tension and contraction whenever blood is floating and contraction. Okay. And another one is atrial factor. Yes, atrial factor. So here the heart sound one coincides with the R peak R wave in ECG. Okay. Now let's see second heart sound. Okay. It is produced on onset of diastole, ventricular diastole. There will be closure of semilunar valves. Why? There is a chance of regurgitating them, that is backflow from pulmonary artery and aorta to the ventricles. So the sound is sharp, high pitched. Yes, here it is long, here it is short. Soft, sharp, low pitched sound, high pitched sound. Here lub and here is dub. Here 0.10 to 0.14. See, heart sound 2 is split because there may be chance of closure of aortic valve earlier than pulmonary valve. So, split sound we can hear. It coincides with T wave in the ECG. Yes, it coincides with the T wave in the ECG. These are the first and second heart sounds. Now, where we listen third heart sound, it is during rapid filling phase of ventricles. That is known as ventricular gallop. It is about 0.07 to 0.1 second, which is not significant. Okay. Short and low pitched sound we are going to hear. It is due to rush of blood in ventricles. Yes, when blood is going to rush, it is going to vibrate. That produces sound. Okay. When we are going to listen the fourth heart sound, we are going to listen it at atrial systole, which is short and low pitched 0.02 to 0.04 seconds, and atrial systole vibration occurs that makes to produce heart sound 4. It cannot be audible. Yes, it is audible only in the pathological conditions like hypertrophic change of heart or a heart failure, tricuspid incompetence and aortic stenosis. Okay, these are the heart sounds that are produced by heart during each cycle, that is during each cardiac cycle. Better study the heart sounds in comparatively in difference, like first heart sound, second heart sound, what is the reason for first heart sound, what is the reason for second heart sound. Okay, make a table, you differentiate between among them and study. That will make you easier to understand. Okay, this is complete discussion of heart sounds. If you have any comment. If you have any doubt, please comment in the comment section. If you like the video, please like and subscribe to the channel. Namaste.